solve twice x plus 3y is equal to 11 and twice x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay, now here you see in this question we have to solve these two equations first. Okay, then we need to find the value of m for which this relation is satisfied. Okay, so now first write the given two equations here. I have written these two equations, and let me simplify this first equation and let us express this first equation as a value of x. Okay, this is x equal to 11 minus thrice y divided by 2. Let us consider this is equation number 1. Okay, now you see how have I done this one. First transfer this thrice y to on the other side, which becomes minus thrice y. Okay, then this 2 comes down. Okay, so it's very simple simplification. I hope you have understood this. Okay, now next equation is this one. Okay, I have written this next equation here. Then now let us put this value of x here. Okay, replace the x by this value of x. Okay, then doing so we have got this. Okay, this equation, and here 2 cancel. Okay, now here I have written using 1 because this value is used from 1. Okay, it is obtained from equation number 1. Now these two cancel, and then we have obtained this relation, and from here minus 3 minus 4y gives minus 7. Oh, y minus 3y minus 4y gives minus 7y, and here this minus 7y is transferred to other side, which becomes plus 7y, and minus 24 is transferred to this side and gives 11 plus 24. Okay, then here you see 11 plus 24 is 35, and there is 7y, that's why y is equal to 35 divided by 7. Okay, so here you see there is 7y, and 11 plus 24 is 35, so y must be 35 by 7, which gives 5. Okay, 35 by 7 is equal to 5. Okay, now you see let us put this value of y in this equation number 1. Okay, putting y is equal to 5 in 1. So if you put this value of y in 1, then you will get x is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5. Here in 1 there was y, so as we have got y is equal to 5, so we have written here 5. Okay, then 3 5s are 15. Okay, now 11 minus 15 gives minus 4 divided by 2 gives minus 2. So this is the value of x. So the required solution is x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. So this is the required solution. So now let us put these two values of x and y in this relation or in this equation, and doing so we have got here you see again it is given y is equal to mx plus 3. We have put here x is equal to minus 2. Okay, and y is equal to 5, and putting we have got this. Okay, now what we have done, let me repeat again, x is equal to minus 2 is put here, and y is equal to 5 is put here in order to obtain this. Then from here after simplification we have got m is equal to minus 1. Okay, it's very simple. M into minus 2, that's minus twice m, which is transferred to other side in the next step, which becomes plus twice m, and 5 on the other side minus 5. Okay, 3 minus 5 gives minus 2, as there is twice m, so m must be minus twice by 2. Okay, so minus 2 by 2 gives minus 1. Okay, this is the value of m, and this is the required solution. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, now let's move on to next question. Okay, now you see question number 3.1. The difference between two numbers, that means there are two numbers, okay, and the difference is 26. Suppose we have two numbers x and y, okay, this is the greater number, then this is the lesser number, then this is 26 more than this one because their difference is 26, okay. Then you see one number, so here one word is hidden, that should be one number, okay. This word is number here which is hidden, okay. So now one number is 3 times the other, okay. That means there are two numbers and their difference is 26, they are differ by 26 and the greater number must be 3 times the lesser number, okay. So we have considered two numbers x and y, okay, and we have considered x is the greater number and y is the lesser number. If so, according to the first condition, you see difference between the two numbers is 26, so x minus y must be equal to 26. So as we have considered this one x is greater than y, that's why x minus y must be 26 because difference is 26, okay. So which implies x is equal to 26 plus y, which is equation number 1. And according to the second condition, here you see one number is 3 times the other, okay, one number is 3 times the other, that's why this greater number x must be 3 times the lesser number, that is y, okay. So here we have got x is equal to thrice y. Now use equation number 1 here, so replace the value of x by this value 26 plus y, okay. So we have put here 26 plus y, okay. So now, and putting this value of x here, we have got 26 plus y is equal to thrice y using 1, okay, and this y on the other side becomes thrice y minus y, and on this side 26 left, okay. Twice y is equal to 26 and dividing both side by 2, we have got here y is equal to 13, okay. Now let us put this value of y in equation number 1, okay. Now we have put this value of y in equation number 1, and doing so we have got x is equal to 26 plus 13, that is y. So y is 13 we have got, so that's why we have got x is equal to 26 plus 13, which is 39. Therefore the two numbers are 39 and 13, okay. I hope you have understood this, okay. Now let's move on to next question, okay. So here you can see the larger of two supplementary angles, okay. There are two supplementary angles, this word is not clear, but remember this is supplementary, this one, okay, this word is this one, okay, supplementary angles, okay. Now the larger angle of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree, that means the greater angle is 18 degree more than the smaller, okay. So we have considered two supplementary angles x and y, okay, where x is greater and y is lesser, this is greater, this is lesser, okay. Now you see, so according to the question, this greater angle exceeds the lesser by 18 degree, that means this is 18 degree more than the lesser angle. So according to the first condition, they are supplementary, so that's why their sum must be 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 180, which gives x is equal to 180 minus y. Suppose this is equation number 1, okay. And according to the second condition, it is given that the larger angle exceeds the lesser by 18, that's why x minus y must be 18, okay. And now let us put this let us replace this x by this value, okay, because in 1 we have got in equation number 1 x is equal to 18 minus y. Now put this value here, okay, put this value of x here, okay, from 1, okay. So putting, so we have got 180 minus y is equal to 18, minus y we have got minus twice y, and 180 on the other side we have got here 18 minus 180. So minus twice is equal to 18 minus 180, which is equal to minus 162, okay. Now dividing both side by minus 2, we have got y is equal to 81. So here you can see that minus 2, if we divide both sides by minus 2, then here this minus sign cancel, then 2 8 just 16 we will get, then 2 1 is 2, so value of y is equal to 18. So now put this value of y in equation number 1, then we will get x is equal to 180 minus 81, that is 99. Therefore the required angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. Okay, these are the required supplementary angles. Okay, so let's move on to next one. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, first. Okay, now here you see in this problem, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees, that should be rupees 3800. okay, there is 3800, okay, which is not seen here. Okay, there is 3800. Okay, so the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800, rupees 3800. Okay, this is the question, you can check in the book. Okay, now here you see, then later after buying this, then again she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Okay, that means 1750. Okay, find the cost of each bat and each ball. Okay, now let us suppose cost of each bat be rupees x, that means cost of one bat is rupees x and that of one ball is rupees y. Okay, now if you see, if the cost of one bat is x, then that of 7 bats must be 7x. Okay, and similarly if the cost of one ball is y, then that of 6 balls must be 6y, and total cost 3800, and which is given here. Actually no, cannot be seen here, though cannot be seen, this number is 3800. Okay, remember that. So now here you see, I have simplified this equation in this form. Okay, in order to substitute in the other equation. Okay, now according to the second condition, 3 bats and 5 balls, so cost of one bat is x, so that of 3 bat will be thrice x. Okay, so now you see, similarly cost of one ball is y, so cost of 5 balls must be 5y. Okay, and total cost of 3 bats and 5 balls 1750. Okay, so now using equation number 1, we have used this value of x here. Okay, and then we have got this relation, and from here it is simplified, and then solving this equation we have got y is equal to 50. Okay, so I hope you can solve this. Just multiply 3 here and here, then you will get this relation, then multiply it's both side by 7, then if you multiply 7 here, 7 will be cancelled, then here 5 7s are 35, and 7 into this one, you will get this one. Okay, and so solving this relation we have got y is equal to 50. That means what is y is the cost of each ball, so each ball cost rupees 50. Okay, now putting this value of y, let me tell you again. Okay, putting this value of y in equation number 1, so here you see, in 1 there is 6y, so it must be 6 into 50, as we have put here 50. Okay, 6 into 50, and here we have got the value of x is 500. That means cost of each bat is rupees 500 and cost of each ball is rupees 50. Okay, so hope you have understood this. Okay, and remaining problems I will show you how to solve the remaining problems in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.